Hope you can see the shade trees. I have a 2008 GMC. I've been having transmission problems with it, and I was my work vehicle, just going back and forth to the shop. Haven't driven it for about a year or so, and decided to just take a look at the valve body on the transmission. Found out that the job is pretty easy. I'll make this really quick. You can see it from the very bottom of my screen here. I have it removed from the actual transmission, and if you're familiar with it, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. A couple of things I had to do is just pull off the computer on the top side here, and just create a little opening. Found that taking the top bolts off were really easy. Then just went underneath, and while they get down on the ground, you'll see the parts that I took off. And as a result, I always make sure that the car is really secured well. And then I just come underneath here, and I just want to show you that it's a very easy job just to take it apart. Just getting it from the bottom. So you got 11 screws. I'll show you in a minute that there are different sizes. You got to make sure you keep an order on them. And it's just a very easy job. You just have to drain the transmission, which is, you know, logical if you're going to do anything working on the transmission. And sorry about the shakiness here. I just, you know, trying to stay clean from getting dirty as lying on the ground. I want to show you the actual transmission valve body. If you take a little close look here, you'll actually see that there are two ports here that the valves seats are out. And it's a very easy job. Just pull it out, not a big deal. Just take your time doing it. Don't get into any rush or anything, and you'll do fine. The last thing, as I mentioned earlier, I always keep track of all the studs that I have, all the bolts. Always put them down in size, keep a record of where they go. It's just easy for organization and replacement, and make sure you don't lose them. Thank you. Bye.